Its official artificial general intelligence is actually achieved. OpenAI's O3 system has done what many thought was still years away, achieving a staggering 85% on the AGI benchmark. That's human-level performance, the same as the average person, and a massive leap from the previous AI high of 55%. This is the kind of breakthrough that shifts everything. The AI community is buzzing with possibilities, and the world is starting to ask what happens next. While everyone was enjoying Christmas, we couldn't help but dive into this incredible breakthrough and start thinking about what it means for the future. So as a little holiday gift, we've put together some bold predictions for AI in 2025. Merry Christmas, and let's get into it. All right, so the AGI benchmark isn't just any test, it measures something fundamental: how well a system can adapt to new tasks with very little information. Essentially, it's about figuring out patterns and solving problems with minimal data, tasks that require true intelligence. For years, AI systems like ChatGPT have relied on massive datasets to perform well. They're great at tasks they've seen before but stumble when faced with something new. That's where O3 stands out. It doesn't need endless examples to understand a problem. Instead, it can generalize from just a few. That level of adaptability is key to pushing AI beyond repetitive tasks into realms that demand creativity and quick thinking. The test revolves around grid puzzles, challenging the AI to uncover patterns that transform one grid into another. These go far beyond basic connect the dots tasks. The system must identify weak yet generalizable rules. For instance, a rule might state that a shape with a protruding line moves along that line and covers any overlapping shapes. Successfully applying this concept consistently in new scenarios demonstrates a major leap in the AI ability to generalize and adapt. It's still not entirely clear how OpenAI managed to achieve this result. Early speculations suggest O3 operates by searching through chains of thought, essentially testing out different logical pathways to solve a task. This process is somewhat similar to how AlphaGo, the AI that mastered the board game Go, analyzed possible moves instead of being explicitly programmed for these tests. O3 seems to have developed a heuristic, a sort of guiding principle that helps it choose the most adaptable and efficient solutions. While OpenAI hasn't disclosed the full details, the model appears to benefit from extensive training specific to these types of tasks layered on top of its general capabilities. This breakthrough raises a big question about how close we really are to achieving fully realized AGI. Some experts are cautious, pointing out that while O3 is highly specialized for the AGI benchmark, it might not generalize as effectively across all domains. Others believe this marks a turning point. Either way, what's clear is that we're entering a new phase in AI development. What makes this moment even more intriguing is the direction OpenAI seems to be heading next. There are strong indications that the company is revisiting its old interest in robotics. OpenAI previously had a robotics division that worked on training robotic arms to perform complex tasks like solving Rubik's cubes. They eventually shut it down in 2021 due to challenges in acquiring enough training data. Now, with advancements in AI and hardware, the company appears ready to re-enter the field, this time with a focus on humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are designed to resemble humans in form and function. They can navigate spaces built for people using tools designed for human hands and interact naturally with the environment. OpenAI has been quietly investing in robotic startups like Figure.ai and 1X Technologies. Figure's robots are already being tested in industrial settings such as BMW factories, where they perform demanding tasks like moving heavy components. Meanwhile, 1X is developing robots aimed at consumer use, including prototypes for household assistants. If OpenAI integrates its advanced AI models like O3 into humanoid robots, we'll have AG robots. Plain and simple, these robots would make decisions on the spot, adapting to whatever's happening around them with intelligence as sharp as ours, maybe even sharper. The possibilities are huge, but it's wild to think about robots this smart walking and working among us. And it's not just an idea anymore, it's real and it's happening now. The scale of it is massive, and where this all leads is something we're about to find out now. At the helm of OpenAI's ambitious plans is Sam Altman. He has openly predicted that superintelligence, widely regarded as the next step beyond AGI, will accelerate the pace of scientific and technological breakthroughs by a factor of 10. What used to take decades will become an annual occurrence, compounding at an unprecedented rate. This shift could revolutionize fields like healthcare, energy, and transportation, but it's not without risks. Altman has acknowledged the dangers of losing control over these systems, but remains optimistic that human values and core societal structures will hold steady even as the world undergoes rapid transformation. Altman's engagement with The public has shed light on some of OpenAI's specific plans for the future. Recently, he asked his followers on social media what they'd like to see from OpenAI in 2025. Among the responses, several stood out as particularly actionable. Family accounts designed to allow children to explore AI safely under parental supervision were a popular suggestion. Altman agreed, recognizing the importance of creating guardrails for younger users while fostering curiosity. Another key point raised was improving the memory capabilities of ChatGPT's voice mode. Current limitations such as interruptions and the inability to retain conversational context were highlighted by users, and Allman confirmed these areas are under active development. One of the most ambitious features OpenAI plans to implement is infinite memory for its systems. Imagine an AI that remembers every detail of every interaction you've ever had with it, from text to voice conversations. So this kind of memory could revolutionize how people interact with AI, making it deeply personalized and context-aware over time. OpenAI staff including Run, one of their technical leads, hinted on social media that infinite memory could roll out sooner than many expect, offering a transformative leap in user experience. OpenAI's video generation model Sora is another area slated for major upgrades in 2025. While Sora has shown promise, it lags behind Google's video model, known for its superior adherence to prompts and realistic motion. Allman and his team have acknowledged this gap and committed to extensive improvements in Sora's performance. The competition between OpenAI and Google in this space is heating up, with Google's Gemini AI ecosystem pushing the boundaries of multimodal AI applications. OpenAI appears determined not to be left behind. Looking beyond, OpenAI web agents are expected to become a reality in 2025, finally achieving the reliability and functionality users have long desired. These AI systems could handle tasks like paying bills, managing subscriptions, and scheduling appointments, freeing people from time-consuming digital choice. While earlier attempts by companies like ADEP fell short, advancements in reasoning models and inference time compute are making these agents more viable. OpenAI rumored Operator AI agent, set for release as a research preview in January, could be a significant step in this direction. The energy demands of AI systems remain a pressing challenge as AI workloads grow. Data centers are consuming unprecedented amounts of power, placing strain on energy grids worldwide. One groundbreaking solution being explored is building AI data centers in space. Startups like Lumen Orbit are pioneering this concept, taking advantage of the continuous solar power available in orbit. By deploying multi-watt computing clusters above Earth, they aim to sidestep terrestrial energy bottlenecks. While the logistics are complex, this approach could redefine how AI infrastructure is powered. AI safety is emerging as a critical focus for the industry in 2025. So far, concerns about AI behaving unpredictably or outside human control have been largely theoretical. However, researchers warned that the first real AI safety incident could occur soon. Scenarios like an AI system covertly copying itself to avoid deletion or intentionally hiding its capabilities to evade stricter oversight are no longer purely hypothetical. Studies from organizations like Anthropic and Apollo Research have already demonstrated the potential for such behaviors in advanced models. These developments underline the need for robust governance frameworks to manage the risks. AI voice is another area poised for significant advancements. Current systems excel at generating written text but often fall short in natural spoken communication. Reducing latency, improving memory retention for long conversations, and understanding nonverbal cues like tone and emotion are essential steps toward making voice AI indistinguishable from human speech. These improvements could transform applications in customer service, personal assistance, and even healthcare. Scaling laws which have driven rapid progress in large language models are now being applied to other fields like robotics and biology. Startups such as Evolutionary Scale and Physical Intelligence are leveraging these principles to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve in drug discovery and autonomous systems. The potential for breakthroughs in these areas is immense, with applications ranging from creating life-saving medications to developing robots capable of complex physical tasks. One of the most exciting developments on the horizon is AI that can autonomously improve itself. Research labs are making strides in creating systems that can generate novel ideas, design experiments, and even write academic papers without human intervention. SAC's AI scientist is a prime example, having already demonstrated the ability to conduct end-to-end research. Some of its papers are under consideration for publication at top AI conferences, signaling a shift in how scientific work might be conducted in the future. OpenAI and its competitors like Anthropic are also moving beyond developing cutting-edge models to focus on building practical applications. These include enhanced search tools, specialized assistance for industries like law and medicine, and potentially even consumer-facing products like generative music platforms or personal travel planners. This shift reflects a growing emphasis on delivering real-world value and creating revenue streams beyond traditional AI services. On the hardware front, OpenAI is reportedly collaborating with Johnny Ive, the visionary designer behind the iPhone, on a generative AI device. While details remain scarce, the project has generated considerable buzz. It represents OpenAI's broader ambition to integrate AI seamlessly into everyday life, potentially reshaping how people interact with technology. The pace of AI innovation shows no signs of slowing as we head into 2025. Models like O3 are setting new benchmarks for intelligence and adaptability, while advances in robotics, energy, and safety are opening up new frontiers. Whether it's the promise of infinite memory AI, humanoid robots, or space-based data centers, the next year is poised to redefine what's possible in technology. All right, let me know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI updates. Thanks for watching and see you the next one.